And we're here at the end of week 2 here at the Mansfield barn in Jericho. And we began this week, we still had some sheathing to finish up, some roof sheathing. So we've got it fully boarded now. We've got all our boards on, and we've got some roofing paper on there, some underlayment paper. So it's all closed in and dry for now. At this point, what we're working on is leveling the building up. From this corner to the opposite corner on the other side of the building, it was 14 inches higher on this end than on the opposite corner. We're down here in the basement of the Mansfield barn where we are jacking and straightening things out to get ready for the plywood up on the roof and to basically straighten the whole building so we can put sills in and know that the building is straight and level. So again, what we've gone from is 14 inches higher on this corner than it is on the opposite corner on the other end. And what we're shooting for here is to install posts and girts on this entire corner, but we've got to go up 7 inches here before we can fit those posts in. And in order to go up here 7 inches, we've got to go up on the other wall even more than about 9 inches. So we're basically coming up with this whole end of the barn about 9 inches or so at this point. It started out with 14, but we've gone up about 5, and we're gradually coming to our high point on that end. And coming up that amount will then create a level plane at the roof line and at the sill level.